Xiaomi Smart Band 10 Pro. Inside the box, you get one user manual, one band strap, one dedicated 2-pin magnetic charger, and one band body. On the front, you get a 1.74-inch AMOLED display with a 480 by 336 resolution, a 60 Hz refresh rate, and up to 2000 nits peak brightness, making it easy to read even under direct sunlight. There are two editions to choose from: Standard and Ceramic. The Ceramic edition is slightly larger than the Standard edition. The Standard edition weighs just 21.6 grams, while the Ceramic edition weighs 28.7 grams. The Standard edition comes with a TPU strap, whereas the Ceramic edition features a more premium fluororubber strap. The Smart Band 10 Pro features a slimmer design than its predecessor. It has a high-strength aluminum frame paired with durable 2.5D curved glass on the front. The Smart Band 10 Pro packs a 350 mAh battery with magnetic charging. Xiaomi claims it can last up to 21 days on a single charge with light usage. It also has a 5-atmosphere water resistance rating, making it suitable for swimming and everyday water exposure. For connectivity, it supports Bluetooth 5.4 and introduces dual-device message sync. If you use both a Xiaomi phone and an iPhone, the band can receive notifications from both devices simultaneously. You can choose from 3 color options: silver, black, and pink. You also get access to over 200 watch faces, so you can easily customize the look of the band to match your style. For health and fitness tracking, the band includes a heart rate sensor with blood oxygen monitoring, along with an accelerometer, gyroscope, electronic compass, and an ambient light sensor. And that's everything you need to know about the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 Pro. Let me know in the comments what you think of it, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech content.